Welcome to English Focus.
Welcome to our English conversation practice. In today's episode, we showcase lively and engaging conversations between friends and party guests that will help you practice speaking English naturally. These conversations highlight useful vocabulary, everyday phrases, and speaking tips that are perfect for improving your fluency in social settings. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi. I don't think we've met yet. I'm Alice.
Nice to meet you, Alice. I'm Catherine. Are you new here?
Yeah, I just moved to the city a couple of weeks ago. Actually, this is my first big party since arriving. Oh, and this is my friend Ben. He works with me.
Hey, nice to meet you, Catherine.
Hi, Ben. Great to meet you too. So, what do you guys do for work?
I'm a software developer. I mainly work on mobile apps. What about you, Catherine?
I'm a photographer. I specialize in portrait and event photography. This party seems like a great place for networking, actually.
Oh, I bet. There must be so many interesting people here. I work in marketing, so I'm always curious about how creative people like you build your brands.
That's really cool, Alice. Marketing and photography probably overlap a lot when it comes to branding and social media, right?
Definitely.
So what brought you guys to this party?
Well, Alice dragged me here, but I'm glad she did. It's always fun to meet new people.
I didn't drag you. I heard this party is a great way to meet locals and explore the social scene in the city. What about you, Catherine? Do you know the host?
Yeah, I do. I actually did some photography for one of their events last year, and we've stayed in touch ever since. I always enjoy these parties. It's such a good vibe.
You're right. It's a great atmosphere. Everyone seems excited to be here. What are you looking forward to the most tonight?
Honestly, I'm just excited to catch up with some old friends and make new connections. And maybe take some candid photos for fun. What about you two?
I'm just here for the food and drinks, to be honest. But seriously, it's great to get out and have a good time after a long week of coding.
I hear you. Well, here's to a fun night ahead.
Cheers.
So, apart from work, what do you both like to do in your free time? Any hobbies?
Oh, I'm really into fitness. I love going to the gym and trying out different workouts. I recently started doing yoga, and it's been a nice change from my usual routine. What about you, Catherine?
That's awesome. I've tried yoga a couple of times too. I really enjoy photography even outside of work. I love capturing candid moments or nature shots when I'm hiking. I try to go on a hike every weekend if I can.
Hiking sounds amazing, especially with your photography background. You must have some incredible shots. For me, I'm kind of a tech geek, so I spend a lot of time on personal coding projects. I also play video games when I need to relax.
That's cool. What kind of games do you play?
I'm into adventure and strategy games mostly, but sometimes I'll get into multiplayer games just for fun. It's a good way to stay connected with friends, even if they're in different cities.
I think it's great that everyone has something they're passionate about. And Alice, fitness sounds like such a good way to stay energized. I'm more of an outdoorsy person though. I love getting out into nature whenever I can.
Hiking is definitely something I'd love to try more of, especially now that I'm in a new city with so many trails around. Maybe you could recommend some good spots?
Absolutely. There are some beautiful hiking spots just outside the city. We should plan a trip sometime. It's a great way to escape the hustle and recharge.
I'd be up for that too, though you'd probably have to drag me away from my computer. But it sounds like fun.
We'll get you out there, Ben. Maybe you can bring your camera next time, Catherine, and we can make a day of it. Hiking and photos.
Definitely. Sounds like a plan. It's always better to explore with friends.
I agree. And who knows, I might even bring my drone along to get some aerial shots.
Ooh, that sounds exciting. Looks like we've got a little adventure in the making.
For sure. It'll be a nice break from the usual weekend routine.
I'm in. Let's make it happen.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed these party conversations. In the first chat, we saw how introductions and talking about your career can easily lead to fun and engaging topics. Remember, at any party, one great way to keep the conversation going is to ask about someone's hobbies or interests. This helps you connect on a personal level and makes the conversation more enjoyable for everyone.
We appreciate your engagement throughout this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, give a like, and click on notification, so you won't miss out on our new videos.